Guess who decided to break yet again? Still the, not still, but it's the shifter cable thing again, but this time I think it's the piece, or it's either the piece on the inside or it's the whole cable. I checked the back end, like right on the transmission. That part is good. The part that I replaced a couple months ago. So it is either the end that connects right on the bottom of this, or it's the whole cable that's tore somewhere. So, you know, just my luck on a Friday. But yeah, so let me go ahead and get this piece out real quick and see what we're working with. So this is the little broken rubber bushing or whatever that was inside of this, connecting to this, which is this. So yeah, I think it's gonna be the same little pieces from before, just maybe a different size. So I'm gonna run to the store and pick up the pack of those and put this back together so I can be back on the road. And I thought about changing this when I changed the other one. I know if you watched the first video, you'd probably be like, why you didn't change both? It was one of them things where it wasn't broke yet, so I was like, I don't even want to mess with it. I don't want to break it to get it out and then try to replace it, and that don't fit. So I was like, let me just leave it since it's good. But it broke anyway, so here I am now. But these are the pieces that are left from that. So yeah, at least I got the pieces to this, because I didn't have the pieces to the back one. So when I get the new pieces, I can at least match them up and make sure it's the right size. But back to the store I go. Same part number as before. I got them lined up. So this is where I'm at. This is the actual piece that broke up from this. So this third one is about as close as I'm getting to this. So this is the one I'm going to use. Alright, this one was a little tricky, but got it on there. The actual cable and everything is still in neutral. This is in super low drive. So what I ended up doing, and I'm sure it's probably an easier way to do this or a better way, but got some pliers, put them on from the back, squeeze as tight as I could. Got these little things, squeeze from this side with the other hand. I got this shoe propping this up so I don't have to worry about, all of that. But yeah, and then just squeeze with both hands until they popped into place. So now, got the key turn, foot on the brake. I'm about to shift this back into actual neutral without, moving this. So that way the shifter be in neutral and this cable will be in neutral. Then I bolt it down and actually shift it into park, and then I'll be good. I'm back after a couple minutes. Everything is back together. Where are my keys? I'm good to crank. All my gears work and all of that. So the moral of the story, if one of these little bushings breaks, just go ahead, buy 2 packs and change them both. Because if you only change one, a few months later you might find yourself changing the other one anyway. So might as well just do them both at the same time. But anyway, that's back working. That one held me down until I got this together, so it all worked out. But yep, hopefully that helped, and guess I'll see y'all on the next one. Oh, and this is broke too, so I got this piece, so this will be a whole different video. But stick around if you want to see how to fix that if yours ever broke.